me take you off this branch and let me have you. I'm just getting some of these little things. That's why I'm called Curious Liddy. I am working really hard to be a star of Kids Explorers. Hello, my name is Champ and we are at the Cabocho Arboretum. If you come to this ducky park, then you can have a look what are here. Turtles and ducks. A lot of ducks. You can have a look if you want. 100. Cane toads. Little huntsman spiders. Yeah. Because this is a forest. That's his bag. And I just got my special wrap in here. This is a rock, what looks like Australia, but it breaks. It's a really lovely time here, so I hope that you will like this video today. Crystal, I got a crystal, Crystal, I got a crystal. What do you want to find next? Champ, temples in the water because we got some gumboots. Oh yeah, we got gumboots. There's some temples, there's some frogs, and there's a lot of sticks.